Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make one of these, a rainbow heart suncatcher. You can put it in your window when you've finished.
To get started, you will need a clear plastic stationery pocket. Place it on the table in front of you. Place your heart-shaped template onto the plastic pocket and carefully draw around it using a pen. The next bit is the sticky part. Cover the inside of your heart shape with PVA glue. Add your sweetie wrappers to the area you've just glued. Add more glue over the top. Very carefully trim any wrappers that need to be a bit smaller. Cover the whole heart with glue and sweetie wrappers. Until it is completely covered. Leave the PVA to dry overnight. Once dry, it should just peel off the stationery pocket. To make a frame, draw around your heart template onto a piece of card. You could use coloured card if you wanted to. Next, draw a smaller heart inside your original heart shape. Draw around your cut-out heart. You will need to cut this out too. Make a sandwich of your hearts with the rainbow heart in the middle. Add glue to the frame and smooth it down to keep it in place. Trim any little bits of the rainbow heart to neaten the edges up. Your rainbow heart suncatcher is now complete.